Hi, this is Emily from SPC. Today I'm super excited to introduce our EPC-107A. It's a compact, durable and reliable industrial PC that's ready to level up your operations. Powered by Intel Celeron J6412 processor and built on SPC's on Lego mode platform. It's complete fanless, giving you silent operation, reduced maintenance and high reliability, perfect for 24/7 industrial workloads. This box PC supports up to 32 GB memory and features M.2 storage, ensuring fast data access and smooth system performance. In terms of connectivity, EPC-107A is ready for almost everything. Okay, let me show you details. Grounding screws, HDMI, USB ports, LAN ports, audio, VGA, DC input. This PC can support 9 to 36 wide voltage input, and thanks to its compact design, it fits neatly into cabinets or tight space on your production floor. On this side, we have Wi-Fi antenna, common ports, USB, and power switch. It's engineered for industrial communication and control tasks. Whether you're building a smart production line, automating industrial machines, or manage your data system, this model provides performance, durability, and flexibility your setup needs. Thanks for watching. At SPC, we're crafting efficient, sustainable IPC solution. Visit csipc.com to learn more or reach out anytime.